I describe in the book a sort of mnemonic that arose from these really kind of descriptive studies of families where orchid children have grown up and flourished. And there are 6 sort of characteristics of these families that we organize into this mnemonic Orchid, ORCHID, conveniently enough. But those are the O is for one's true self. Families where there is a predisposition to let the child's expression of himself flourish and to be open to that self, allowing the child to become who he or she wants to be. The R is for routines, and we talked about this earlier, that family routines, kind of the stable structure of day-to-day, week-to-week life, seems to be helpful to kids. The C is for the Latin term caritas, which means attentiveness and love. The degree to which the parents just express their deep love for that individual child. The H is for human differences, how parents celebrate and honor the differences between kids. There are families that I've seen in pediatric practice where the interest is in making all the kids the same, basically homogenizing the temperaments and personalities of the children, and that's not as good. It's better to let kids express these human differences. The I is for imagination, imaginative play, the degree to which the child is allowed to imagine and to have fanciful play as a way of expressing himself or herself. And the last letter, danger, is this thing that we talked about of the approach avoidance of dangerous situations, like going to an overnight party that feels aversive to you. So that little mnemonic of ORCHID is a way of thinking about the categories of mundane experience within families that pull for positive outcomes among highly sensitive kids.
Yeah. And just like we were saying, like if we can raise the bar to the needs of the most sensitive, what kid is not going to thrive if those things that you just described are compasses inside of a family? Like you do not have to get it right all the time, right? But like if you have this guiding North Star of like these values and these orientations, I guess. To try to do that when you can.
Exactly. Yeah.
It's going to be good for every kid.
Yeah.